Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the study plan for the NEET MDS 2022 exam, which is going to be held in the month of June 2022. The NEET MDS exam comprises of 240 questions, of which Part A comprises of 100 questions, which includes all the basic sciences, and Part B comprises of 140 questions, which includes all the clinical sciences subjects. The total 240 questions, each question, if it is a correct response, then it carries 4 marks, and if it is an incorrect response, that is, if you have marked the answer and the answer is incorrect, then there will be a negative marking, -1, and if you leave the question unattempted, then there will be no negative markings. Now the full portion study plan, this plan starts from November 2021. So from November till the date of exam, you have around 7 months, of which the plan is divided into 3 parts. First is the full portion coverage part. Then after that we have mock paper discussion. Then we have the last 2 weeks for the final round of revision. So 7 months, total of 5 months are exclusively allotted for the full portion coverage, with in between some weeks for a revision, and then the last 2 weeks exclusively for mock paper discussion and the final round of revision. So total study plan comprises of 33 weeks. The first round is 21 weeks of full portion coverage. So this full portion coverage is split again into 3 parts with revision week in between each part. So there is total of 18 weeks of preparation, which is split into 3 parts, 6, 6, 6. So in between every 6 weeks, there is a one whole week of revision wherein we revise all the 6 weeks portion in the form of mock papers and mock paper discussion. So after the 21 weeks of full portion coverage with revisions is over, then we have a detailed full portion mock exam with question paper discussion, wherein we will be discussing individual questions of the mock paper. So one full mock paper will be discussed for the whole week, so that we do not miss even one question. All the explanation with relevant topic related notes will be discussed during the 10 weeks of mock paper discussion. Then after that we have the last 2 weeks of final round of revision, wherein all the important concepts including mnemonics, numericals and important concepts will be covered in the last 3 weeks. So the first 21 weeks, for ease of understanding, we have allotted the first 6 weeks will be in blue table, then the second 6 weeks will be mentioned in the orange table, and third 6 weeks will be in the green table. So now let's move on to the timetable. Week 1. Week 1 comprises of prosthodontics and dental materials. So now if you see together all the clinical sciences and the basic sciences, there will be slight mix of subjects and topics here and there, so that you do not get dumped completely into clinical subjects and do not get completely dumped into basic sciences, which means part A and part B, here and there every week we have some alternates in between, so that you do not get dumped into more of clinical or more of basic topics. So week 1 is prostho and dental materials part 1. Then we have week 2, prostho and dental materials part 2. So in prostho, little bit of dental materials will be covered. Then the remaining of the dental materials you can study during the ortho and endodontics during that time, because instead of just spending a whole lot of week for dental materials, whenever you are studying the clinical topic, the relevant dental materials, if you cover it, it will be very easy. Then the third week comprises of general pathology and microbiology. Fourth week is oral anatomy, histology and embryology. Fifth week is physiology and general medicine part 1. So physiology followed by the relevant general medicine will be covered simultaneously. Then you have physiology and general medicine part 2. So once all the 6 weeks, that is the blue tables, are over, then we have the 7th week, which is a revision week. So the first 6 week subjects which were covered alone will be there in the mock paper. So there will be 2 mock papers wherein all the 6 weeks topic and subjects questions will be asked only from those topics alone. It is not a full portion paper. So you have 6 weeks paper alone in mock paper 1 and 2, and this week you can use it as a revision week in case if you have missed or if you weren't able to complete the portions during the first 6 weeks, whichever day, whichever topic, you can finish it off in this week 7 during the mock paper. So one day will be allotted for mock paper wherein you will be writing the exam, and the other 2 days will be used up for revision of all the doubtful questions. Then after week 7, we are starting with the part 2 of our full portion paper. So week 8 we have pharmacology part 1, and then week 9 we have pharmacology part 2 and biochemistry. Then week 10 is conservative dentistry and endodontics. Week 11 is oral pathology and oral medicine part 1. Week 2 is oral medicine part 2 and oral radiology. So once we are done with the next 6 weeks of study, then we have one more week of revision. So in this revision, only the second 6 week subjects, that is which are mentioned in all these orange table, only those subjects question will be asked in mock paper 3 and 4. First week will not be asked. It is only for the second 6 weeks question will be asked in mock 3 and mock 4. One day will be allotted for exam and the other 2 days for the paper discussion. And the last day is just for winding up of all the important concepts and any mistakes if it is repeatedly done in any papers by most of the candidates. All those questions will be discussed on the last day of the revision week. Then we'll move on to the next third part of our full portion. So third part, week 14 is orthodontics. Then we have week 15 pediatric dentistry. Week 16 is general anatomy. Week 17 is general surgery, and week 18 is oral and maxillofacial surgery. Week 19 we have community dentistry. Week 20 periodontics. So once we are done with this long week, then we have the third 6 week subjects. So in this third round of subjects, we have only the green table subject portions alone will be covered in this week. So we have mock paper 5 and 6. Same drill, how we did in the revisions. Mock paper, 1 day will be exam, 2 day will be for discussion. Then the last day will be wind up of all the mock papers. Then the next set of revision starts. So this revision, it is exclusively allotted for a full portion paper. So now if you see, the last day of your the discussion will be full portion mock paper. That is, one full portion mock exam paper will be uploaded on every Sunday. So it is up to you to write exam on that day, or after finishing the complete discussion also you can try attending the exam. It is up to you to write the exam. So one Sunday every week from the revision when it starts, every week it will be uploaded. So one day is for writing exam. Then the next 6 days, so we have 240 questions. Every day 40 questions. In that order, 6 days we will complete 240 questions. Each and every questions will be discussed in webinar, and any doubtful question, any important question where the mistakes are repeatedly done, everything will be discussed in the consecutive weeks. So every week it goes on like that. Every Sunday there is an exam, then the next 6 days are for paper discussion, then the next Sunday there will be exam, then again the next week will be followed by the discussion. In between, wherever required, any important concepts or notes from our previous day, wherever full portion, whenever we took any portion, when we are discussing the paper, if the portions are important, again the same notes will be repeated again, so that you will have more stress or more concentration on those particular topic. So in that way, every week one paper comprising of 240 questions, we'll discuss it in an elaborate manner, followed by the 8, 9, 10 papers, which will be almost towards the exam timing, that is 1 month before exam. We'll start with our 8, 9, 10th round of full portion paper. 8th paper is exclusively an image based question. So all the 240 questions will be only image based question. And then the 9th paper will be, 9th and 10th paper are allotted for previous year paper question discussion. So all the previous year paper question, if there is any repeated question from AIIMS and NEET MDS question, all those question compilation will be there for the 9th mock paper and 10th mock paper. Once we are done with completely everything, all the mock paper, there will be 1 day of exam tips webinar followed by the final round of revision, which is an important part. It is just 2 weeks, but 2 weeks we are not going to discuss any papers. We are going to discuss only the important mnemonics, important concepts like any important drugs or any indication, contraindication like that in anatomy, pharmacology, basic sciences, clinical sciences, numericals, and one exclusively 1 day will be allotted for case scenario discussion and clinical questions, then followed by important concepts related to dental subjects. Everything will be covered in the final round of revision. So this is the study plan of action for the entire 33 weeks starting from November till May 2022. So whoever is joining or preparing the preparation a little bit late, that is you have skipped some November month or December month, wherever possible any buffer weeks here and there, you can push in the timetable here and there according to your convenience if you are studying on your own. So you can also check out our Telegram channel which you have recently opened for free study materials, and the PDF of this particular video, the study timetable with all the tables, the PDF will be uploaded in our Telegram channel, so you can download the same from our channel. And if you are interested in joining our classes, you can ping us on WhatsApp to know the class details if you want only the mock paper or if you want along with the discussion. And you can also join our social media handle for all the updates and subscribe to our channel for all the study related videos. Thank you.